this case, we have a total of 10 bratwursts with 4 bottles of beer.
I'll get rid of that.
Brought to a boil. Simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're well cooked through. Then we're browning the brats in a hot skillet with a little olive oil in this case. So you have the plate of 10 cooked brats. Now you roll out the ingredients.
Yeah, so I read out the
The
ingredients.
flour, the salt, the cornmeal, the sugar, and
Baking powder.
baking powder. So now we have 2 eggs in here. And how much milk?
3/4 cup.
3/4 cup of milk. So beat the eggs. We'll add the milk to the egg. Come over here.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Okay. Now. Oh, we need to get the oil going. So we don't want to put this liquid into the dry because it's
Until we're
baking
ready.
powder.
Yes.
And the baking
Wanna wait till
powder
we're
will
ready.
make it rise. So let's put this over here. Just a thermometer. There it is. Okay. Alright, so turn this down a little bit here.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and add the
And
liquid.
this, and I will just keep whisking.
Whisk it together good.
Now it says to get to the texture or thickness of like pancake batter.
Here. You're messing with it. Just
I
stir
am
it.
stirring it. Just get your fucking paws off of it.
You're making such.
There.
That's
There. It needs to be a little. Needs more juice.
liquid, you mean?
Same thing.
What are you doing?
There.
Okay.
Do you want more milk?
Yes, a little bit more. This is too thick.
Tell me when.
That should be fine. Let's see.
Okay.
You don't want to stir it too much.
That looks better. That looks a lot better. Okay. Get rid of this.
Which you have to hear by the side. We put this in it.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to try to get
It's
one of
cooked.
these. How are we doing here? Okay. So a little bit. With this.
So we're coating in the corn dog recipe,
Corn dog batter.
batter recipe, excuse me.
This is why you have a skewer on the end to help, because you don't have to knock any off with tongs.
Okay.
We'll drop it between now and here. Let's do this here. And we'll lay this in. And there it goes.
And how long do you think it needs to be in there? Till it floats?
We'll watch it. Let's do another one here. Don't coat it. The curves are hard to coat. Yeah, it's much easier to get the skewer.
Yeah, you had the skewer to be.
Because then you just roll it in it. But
Or,
let's turn this around. Oh, that looks good.
well, that's good. That looks really good.
We'll could use a plate.
I
I
think you can
think.
stick this in there and maybe be easier than just split it go when you get it in the.
Let's put another one. What's your, we need a plate with a paper towel.
Yes. So,
Looks like a corn dog.
does it taste?
Let's see here.
Take a bite.
It was cooled off enough.
Good.
I can taste the beer brat. And it's not that hot.
Okay.
And the corn dog. Just a little coating.
Mmm.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of mustard. We got it made. That's it.
That's home cooking.